Create a post and beam archway. Constructing a post and beam archway in any part of your home will certainly give some pizzazz to a rather boring setup. It is also one way of prepping up a room if you cannot afford a complete renovation. Post and beam archways are never outdated, although they have been used in many home designs for many years now. If you want to bring an interesting look to your dwelling, here are useful tips on how to create a post and beam archway. Use the right kind of wood. The usual thickness of the wood boards is 1x 4 inches. You can also have a 1x 6 inch measurement, depending on the size of the room or doorway where you will install the post and beam archway. Use treated wood to make sure the archway does not deteriorate fast. Without proper treatment, the fungi and other bacteria will lodge in the wood, hence causing ugly, dark marks all over the board. Consider the size of area. When building the archway outside, by the door, make sure it is wide enough to accommodate the post and beam. You do not need much space for the structure, as long as the archway can be accommodated well and will stand proportionately in relation with the other furnishings in the house. A post and beam archway may be located by the door or any corner of a room to give an illusion of a passageway against a wall. Cut the boards. Make sure the ends of the boards are properly angled. The angles, 45 degrees on all ends, must fit each other, so be careful with the measurements. Use a tape measure in taking the figures so you will not go wrong. Saw the edges carefully and make sure you do not cut the wood too short, as the materials might go to waste if they do not fit together at all. Measure the doorway. Take note that the archway must be wider and higher than the actual doorway. Start measuring from the outer edge of the door frame so as not to block the entrance. Design the post and beam. It will be better if you can make a pattern out of old cardboard. Mount the pattern on the exact spot where you plan to erect the archway. Base the construction of the actual archway on the said pattern for easier execution. Assemble the wood pieces. Use wood glue in joining the wood pieces. The ends of each piece should fit snugly together. Check the alignment as well. Install braces. Support each side of the posts of the archway with strong braces. Attach the archway to the ceiling by screwing a piece of 1x 4 inch wood on each side of the archway. Connect the wood to the ceiling with glue and nails. Cover the joints. To hide the joints of the archway from view, cover them with rubber sheet, 3x 3 inches. Secure with glue. Paint the archway. Make sure the color will match the motif of your house. You may use varnish to achieve a natural and neutral look. Decorate. Add tiny vines around a post if you want to put color in it or you want to create a garden feel in your home. Although post and beam archways usually come in classic designs, you can also inject modern twists according to your preference. Read home style magazines and you will find a lot of design collections of post and beam archways as well as other decorative structures for homes.